If you're a part of the academic discourse community, then you've probably heard that passive voice is undesirable and that active voice is preferred. But the question remains, how do you know you've written in passive voice? One simple test to determine if you've written in passive voice is to try adding the phrase "by zombies" at the end of your sentence. Here is an example sentence. The brains were eaten. Now, if I add the phrase "by zombies," the sentence still makes sense. The brains were eaten by zombies. The next question is then, well, how do you fix a passive voice sentence? And I am going to give you 3 quick steps. Step 1, begin a new sentence with the word zombies in the subject position. Step 2, change the passive verb were eaten to an active indicative. In this case, we could say eat or the past tense ate. And the final step, step 3, close out the sentence with the direct object. So in the sentence, we're left with the word brains, and brains becomes the direct object. And what is the result? Zombies is now in its rightful subject position. Zombies ate the brains, active voice. Yum indeed. We could test this out with other sentences. For example, the bank was robbed. The bank was robbed by zombies. When we put zombies back into subject position, the response is zombies robbed the bank. Active voice. Here is another example. The bill was passed. The bill was passed by zombies. When we put zombies back into subject position, the response is zombies passed the bill. Of course, if we know the true subject of the verb, we can substitute that as well. Congress passed the bill, or someone robbed the bank. But we'll keep the 3-step process in mind. Put your subject back into subject position, change the passive verb to active indicative, and the remainder of the sentence will be the direct object. And thus, we will keep the dead weight of passive voice out of our academic writing.